The dplyr function works in much the same way as the other functions, but it allows you to perform an operation across specified groups in your data. For those of you who are familiar with dplyr package, this does the same thing as the group by and summarize functions. Here is an example. We got a dataset in which a service time to repair a product is recorded. We would like to find out the mean service time to repair for each individual product. So here we will first have to group the data into individual products and then find the mean value of service time for each group. The syntax for dplyr function is simple. First we have a vector to analyze. In our example it is a service time. Then comes the index, which is the vector to group by. In this example, it is a product. We are grouping the data into products. And finally, a function we want to run on each group. In this example, it's a mean value we are looking at for each group. dplyr function returns a mean value of service time for all the products. Let's open the RStudio and run dplyr function. Here is a dataset we will work on. It's an empty cars dataset. This dataset comprises fuel consumption and various automobile parameters for 32 different car models. We want to find out the average fuel consumption in miles per gallon for various cylinder engines. So the first step is to group the data as per the number of engine cylinders. And the second step is to use mean function on mpg variable to find out the average fuel consumption. We can perform these two steps using dplyr function. The first argument is a variable on which we want to perform calculation. So it is mpg variable. The second index is the grouping variable. So we want to group the data using cylinder variable. And the last argument is a mean function, since we want to find out the average of the mpg. After executing the dplyr function, we get the result. The average fuel consumption as per the engine cylinders. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we will look at some important graphics functions from the base R. So stay tuned to this channel. Lots of stuff coming up. I will see you in the next video.